everyone and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm here today with Marty Moloney, the Managing Director of Buxton Resources. Marty, great to see you again. Welcome.
Hi Oriel, yeah, great to be here.
So Marty, you've just announced that drills have started to turn at Madman. Tell us about what you hope to find.
Well, at Madman we hope to find really long intersections of copper-gold mineralization. Madman is a geophysical feature that looks very similar to the Havieron project. Havieron's a recent copper-gold discovery in the Paterson origin of Western Australia. It's an area where there's been a string of recent discoveries and which we believe has a lot of exploration upside. We're really excited about getting to Madman. This is the fruition of several years worth of work in conjunction with the native title party and a number of other local stakeholders. So, we've got the access in. The rig is now turning on, what we see as a really exciting discovery opportunity for our shareholders.
You just talked about getting the rigs in. Now, when we look at the location, you are in one of the most remote parts of Western Australia. I'm sure that's not been an easy process.
No, and, Buxton is not afraid of undertaking these kind of projects, and we're really good at building the relationships, particularly with the native title groups, but also the local stakeholders that really provide us the ability to be nimble and to get into places which are likely going to be too challenging for the majors. So, we've drilled at Centurion last year, we're drilling at Madman. There are these frontier areas where people have previously said it's too hard. Well, it's not too hard, and Buxton's doing the work, and we're going to get there and we're going to test these things.
So, Marty, when you look at Madman and you're there, what is it going to take for investors to get results? What sort of timeline are you hoping to have, some of these drilling results back in?
So the program that we've got there involves initially drilling a water bore. So let's say, we're starting on the 1st of July, which is today's announcement. We'll take a few days to drill a water bore, and then the target itself is sitting somewhere between 200, 250, it could be deeper, it could be shallower. We're going to do some mud rotary drilling initially to get us down there. That might take a few days, and then we'll be coring after that. So, I think by mid-July, we should be in a position, hopefully, to start getting an understanding of what's driving this magnetic feature. Ultimately, what we need to do is explain that. That's what's taken us here. We need to find out if that's associated with copper-gold mineralization as the magnetic feature at Havieron is with that really outstanding copper and particularly gold resource.
Well, very exciting times for you and certainly a very busy time, Marty. Thanks so much for spending the time with mining.com.au today, and we'll be chatting to you again very soon.
Absolutely, Oriel. Yeah, great to talk.